As we move into the spring phase of gardening, here are a few tips to keep in mind. One is that we always think about starting cool season vegetable crops indoors, but you can also start your cool season flower crops indoors. Okay, not all plants transplant well. So you need to read the seed packet and make sure that you can sow those seeds indoors and transplant them outdoors. Some plants that are transplantable are nasturtiums, sweet pea, and stock. So something else to keep in mind this time of year are your birds. So it's time to get your bird houses all cleaned out and get your feeders full. And I just want to demonstrate for you this neat little funnel scoop that you can put your seed in and then directly fill your feeder. And voila, just like that, our feeder is full. So another little tip that I want to give you is this handy little tool right here. And this, you can purchase this wherever you purchase your pruners. But this is the easiest way I have found to sharpen my pruners. So you just take it and just a few swipes across your blade, and that will sharpen your blade. So I suggest that you keep your tools sharp and clean during your gardening season to make your gardening go a lot easier. Here are some more gardening tips for the month of February and March.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.